Welcome to Vehicle News, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today's topic is creating a lot of buzz among enthusiasts, the new 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. For the first time, Royal Enfield is expected to step into the 125 cubic centimeter segment, aiming to attract young riders and daily commuters while keeping its iconic legacy alive. Royal Enfield's entry into the 125 cubic centimeter segment. Royal Enfield has always been known for its mid-capacity and classic motorcycles. With the 2025 125 cubic centimeters model, the brand is expected to target entry-level riders and urban commuters. This move could help Royal Enfield compete directly with popular 125 cubic centimeters bikes while expanding its customer base in emerging markets. Expected engine and performance. The new 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is expected to feature a refined, fuel-efficient single-cylinder engine. While performance figures are not officially confirmed, the bike is likely to focus on smooth power delivery, reliability, and excellent mileage, perfect for city riding and daily use. Royal Enfield may tune the engine for comfort rather than aggressive performance. Design and styling expectations. In terms of design, the 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is expected to carry classic styling inspired by larger Royal Enfield models. A round headlamp, muscular fuel tank, and simple yet premium body lines could define its look. This approach would help the bike stand out in the 125 cubic centimeters category while staying true to the brand's heritage. Features and technology. The upcoming 125 cubic centimeters model is expected to include modern features such as LED lighting, a digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, and basic connectivity options. Safety features like ABS or CBS may also be included, making it suitable for new riders and daily commuters. Expected price and market position. Pricing will play a crucial role in the success of the new 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. It is expected to be competitively priced to challenge established 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles while offering a premium feel. If priced right, this bike could become a popular choice among young riders looking for style, brand value, and efficiency. Final thoughts. The new 2025 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters could mark a new chapter for the brand by entering the small-capacity motorcycle segment. With classic design, modern features, and everyday practicality, it has the potential to make a strong impact. Stay tuned to Vehicle News for more updates, official specifications, and launch details as they are revealed.